Hello and welcome. From the 2023.2 Typhoon Hill software release, two new features have been added to the Package Manager tool to make sharing and versioning your models even easier. Package Manager Wizard and the Package Manager Marketplace. The Package Manager Wizard tool lets you quickly create the dedicated packages you need directly from the tool as alternative to making packages through the dedicated API. Once made, you can now share your packages on a remote server by uploading it to the new Marketplace tab, which appears as an additional tab next to the Install tab in Package Manager. So let's create a new package now. Click on the Package Actions button and then create a new package. This opens the Package Manager Wizard window. First, let's define the package name, version, author, and package description. If the package requires some specific software version, the earliest supported Typhoon Hill Control Center software version should be defined in the minimal software version field. The next step is to add examples that you want in your package. By clicking Create New Example, you can specify some general information about the example, such as the title, description, image, and corresponding application node. Then you will need to load the model's TSC file and a model resource file if it is necessary. You can do the same thing for the test if your package contains tests as well. Then you will need to define an output directory for your test results. Once created, examples can be reused for other packages. There's an Add button below Create New that's used for adding already existing examples to the package. This is especially useful when creating a new version of the package if the example remains unchanged. Now you can add any library files you want included. In case you don't have a library you want included, you can skip this step. If you have a documentation file, you can also add it here. It is possible to include either single file or multi-file documentation. You can also select a documentation directory with a landing page if you have multiple page documentation. If you have a Python package you would like included in your package environment, you can also include it by importing it as a wheel file. Additionally, you can include extra files for your package as needed, such as release notes. Once you are ready to create your package, simply define the name and location of the output file. Once completed, you should get a message that the package was created successfully. Once you create your package, you also now have the option to publish them to a remote server. Currently, when your package is shared on this server, it is visible to everyone with the Typhoon Hill Control Center account. All available packages are possible to see on the Marketplace tab. The Marketplace includes all available packages, as well as all available versions for each package. You can choose which version of a package you want to download via the version dropdown. If you would like to add your package to the Marketplace, you should contact Typhoon Hill to validate your package and publish it. For now, it is planned to automate the publishing process in the near future. With these two features, the process of preparing packages is now standardized. Also, you are now able to share project files without managing files locally, making them available for all users automatically. Any user can simply choose the version that they want, and it will be automatically downloaded for them. We hope that these features make the process of exchanging packages easier than ever before. Some of these packages are already available on the server, such as the Energetic Macroscopic Representation package for EV simulation. By clicking the Install Latest button, this package will be moved to the Install tab. If you want to see more details about this package, you can see the documentation. We encourage you to try this feature and let us know your feedback. Thank you for watching.
Check the video description for more resources on this topic, including how to download and get started with Typhoon Hill Control Center for free. You can also visit Hill.Academy to access free courses, expand your Hill testing skill set, and get certified. Subscribe to our channel to get notified about new content.